Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to not be lazy with one simple trick. If you have a problem with laziness, if you have a problem with getting stuff done, if you know someone that has a problem with laziness or has a problem with getting stuff done, then this is the video for you or the person that you know. Be sure to share it with them if you know someone that's in this position. Now, preventing laziness is easy because humans by nature are not lazy. We don't want to sleep all day. We don't want to sit around all day. By nature, we're not lazy. We sometimes become lazy over time, but that's not a problem with us or our bodies or our mind. It's simply a problem with a lack of goals, because it's really a problem with a lack of motivation. But in order to get motivated, you have to have some goals. Now, if you go and ask someone that's lazy, what is your goal for today? They might say something like, well, I don't have any goals for today. Or, I want to go and make my bed today, something small. But if you said to them, not what is your goal today, what could you accomplish right now? If you could snap your fingers and accomplish something, what would it be? They might say, you know what, I'd go back to school and I'd finish my post-secondary schooling. I'd finish my university degree, or I'd finish my college diploma. Or they might say, you know what, I would renovate my basement. Or they might say, you know what, I would go to work and I'd get the best job that I could get and make as much money as I could make. Now, here's the thing. The moment that you extract that goal from a lazy person is the moment that they stop being lazy. Because it's just a matter of convincing them at that point that they can actually do it. And it's not a matter of telling them that, yeah, you can do it. Of course you can. Even though that's the truth, that's not going to convince them. Maybe they just need to see the first step. So maybe if their goal is being financially independent, let's say if they say, well, you know what, I would be financially independent and I would travel the world. Show them an example of someone who started an Instagram account or a YouTube channel that makes a crazy amount of money traveling the world, and show them that it's possible. And all that they have to do is just create this social media asset, this Instagram account, this YouTube channel, and then just work on it slowly, and they'll get to that spot. If their goal is that they want to lose weight, show them some transformation pictures, a before and an after picture of someone who lost a ton of weight and became fit. And show them that the first day that that person lost weight, they probably just went for a 10-minute walk. And then guess what? They'll be motivated to go for that 10-minute walk. Once that lazy person takes the first step, that's it. The rest is easy. It's so easy to continue. It's human nature. That's when you realize it's human nature. That once you take the first step, the second step is easier. The third step is even easier. The fourth, fifth, sixth, 20th, 50th, 120th steps become even easier as you go along. And then once you're in the flow and it feels like all lights are green, figuratively, it's easy to go. So the best thing that you can do if you have a problem with laziness, or if someone else has a problem with laziness, is either ask yourself or ask them. If you could accomplish something right now, in the snap of a finger, what would you accomplish? What would you change in your life right now? What would you get done? And once you have that solved, once you figured out what they would do, what their actual goal is, not like a goal to just get out of bed this morning, which is it's a legitimate goal, but you want a bigger goal when someone's lazy. You want their maximum potential goal. Once you get that out of them, then it's just a matter of showing them that it's possible and that the first step can happen right now. Just show them within 2 minutes, the 2-minute rule. Whatever you can do in 2 minutes is like the first step. Just literally, if you want to go for a walk, get out of your house, put your shoes on, and go for a walk to the end of the block. That'll take you probably 2 or 3 minutes. And that's the first step. Then you might say, wow, I'm already walking. It's a beautiful day. Let's keep walking. That is how to not be lazy, how to solve laziness, how to cure laziness. In just one simple step, you have to extract those true goals, the real goals from deep down inside. Then you have to show the person or yourself the first step. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your tips are for not being lazy, getting stuff done, and figuring out your goals in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.